I'm not sure how long I have to try this, but throwing paper airplane, left hand, fast draw, right hand. I'm doing it that way because I don't think I'm gonna have very much time in between the toss and the actual throw. Courtesy of Scott Hodges. Thanks, dude.
If you catch me at the border, I got visas in my name. If you come around here, I'll make them all day. I get one done in a second if you wait. I fly like paper, get high like planes. If you catch me at the border, I got visas in my name. If you come around here, I'll make them all day. I get one done in a second if you wait. Sometimes I think sitting on trains. Every step I get to, I'm clocking that game. Everyone's a winner, we're making our fame. Bonafide hustler. Sometimes I think sitting on trains. Every step I get to, I'm clocking that game. Everyone's a winner, we're making our fame. Bonafide hustler, making my name. All I wanna do is
Man, that was only 7 minutes. I wanted to make the airplanes that dip, and I used to be really good at making paper airplanes in high school, but I can't really remember, and I think I also stapled the tip. So that was just your standard airplane. You can't tell anymore though. Maybe I need to read up on YouTube how to make better paper airplanes. Anyway, FullTangClan, danger out, peace.